Come on in. So this is a tour of a room at the Boston Encore Resort. This is a Premier King Harbor View room. So let's start over here in the bathroom, one of my favorite parts. So come in, this bathroom is so big. I love everything that it has to offer. It has a stand-up shower, provides you with some body wash, a bar of soap, conditioner, shampoo. The door opens either way, but it's such a nice option in case you want to take a stand-up shower. You do have that choice right here. All right. If you're looking for a more relaxing refresh, you could take a bath. I love this area here. It also comes with a bar of soap, and inside the tub, there's two little armrests for extra comfort. I love it, guys. The 3 mirrors look so beautiful on the wall. Just makes this bathroom look beautiful. Over here, we have a big vanity space with 2 sinks. So if you're here, if you're traveling with a guest, you can each have your personal space. Down below, there's some room for storage if you want to keep any of your toiletries. And it also has towels and face cloths if you're gonna be taking a shower, taking a bath. Over here, provides you with some more bath towels and that type of stuff. There is a hair dryer, so you don't have to worry about packing that for yourself, which, ladies, I know that saves room in your luggage, so perfect. There's also a scale in case, you want to check any of that out. There is a scale under here if you need to use it at all. They do have a chair, so if you're doing your makeup, you're able to sit here. You don't have to stand. You can sit here and do it. There is a beauty mirror. It lights up and it only has a magnifying setting, so you have to look super close in it. But this is a beauty mirror that lights up, which I love. Over here, there is a little toiletry stand. So if you pull this open here, you have your necessities. It looks like some cotton swabs and some cotton balls in there. Mouthwash, body lotion, and they even give you some toothbrushes. So that is in the top drawer here. In the bottom drawer, look at this. Shower cap, makeup remover, stain remover. Looks like some things for your shoes here. I love it all around. Look at this too. Even comes with this. Huh. How cool. Get right back here. You have tissues, of course. And even in the bathroom, let's say you have some hot tools that you want to plug in. You do have 2 outlets here. So if you're plugging in that hair dryer that we saw, your straightener, your curler, you have the option to do that there, which I love. All right, the best part, there is a TV. So whether you're relaxing in the tub or you're taking a stand-up shower, you have this TV that you can turn on. The remote is right here. You have a wide range of stations, and I just love it because it's something that, I don't know, I don't have at home, so I love having a TV in the bathroom here. Over here is the last section of the bathroom. You have a little toilet, some decor on the walls. I just love this bathroom. It's so spacious. And take a look at this. This is how the lights work in this room. I'm gonna turn them off. Just swipe. And then, let's say, oh no, but you want a little night light? I just turned them off. Let me turn them on. Okay, check it out. I love it, guys. So let's head out of the bathroom. And check out this hallway space. Now, typically when you walk into a hotel room, I feel like it's kind of narrow. You're kind of forcing your luggage through the door, forcing it through the hallway. This is so spacious. I love it. And one of my favorite things, I love this giant mirror. Come check out the giant mirror. It doesn't get much better than that. So if you're going out for a night on the town, you can check out your outfit, make sure that everything looks good before you head out. Still in the hallway before we make it over to the bed area, we have this huge closet. You've got a lot of storage. So if you're staying here for a long amount of time, there's our luggage. You've got enough space to keep all your stuff. Ironing board, iron, some extra bed materials. You have a safe in here. Love it, guys. There's actually some complimentary slippers as well. So you get like 2 pairs of slippers. So you can wear them around your room. You don't have to wear your shoes around this nice room. There's an umbrella in case it rains. It's actually a rainy day today, so we could use that. So some room in there so you can keep your luggage out of like the main area. But come on in to this area. I absolutely love it, guys. Starting off with this bed. This is a king size bed, super comfortable. You have the sheets, you have the comforter, 2 pillows, and there's actually this giant pillow in the back. So you have your main pillow here and this ginormous pillow in the back. Oh my God, guys, that's for extra comfort right there. That thing is huge. So the bed comes equipped with some nice pillows. On either side of the bed, there are bedside tables. You have some storage in here, so if you want to keep any of your bedside needs in here, your extra pajamas, anything from your luggage, your clothes, you have that option. There are 2 USB ports on both sides of the bed, and then 2 regular plugs as well, so if you're charging something, you can plug it in right there. Another cool thing, you do have this pull-out light option on both sides of the bed, which you can turn on and off so that it doesn't distract you or keep you up at night, but you do have that choice. Another cool thing that's coming on this side of the bed is they do have an Alexa. So, Alexa, play Morgan Wallen.
Morgan Wallen from iHeartRadio.
That's what I'm talking about. So, coming over to this side of the room. Thank you. You have the same type of nightstand going on this side. Alexa, turn off. All right, now coming over to this side of the room, you have the same similar bedside stand with the same amount of storage. There is a Bible provided in this one. You do have the telephone in case you need to make any calls to the front desk of anything or anything like that. You have the Boston Encore notepad with the pen. I love this. So if you're thinking of anything, you can just jot it down right here. This we'll get to in just a minute. You have the light, oh, this one's a little stuff. You've got the bedside light, just like the other side. You have the 2 USB ports and the 2 regular ports. Now this tool right here is super important to your room because it actually controls your entire room. You have so many different options on this iPad, whether you want to check out in-room dining, Netflix, restaurants here at the hotel. You can scroll through, check out what everything has to offer. You can check out the prices and the items that are in your mini bar here in your own room. So if you want to get some peanut M&M candies, that's going to be $13, but it tells you the pricing all right here of all the things that your room has to offer. Check out the restaurants here at the Encore Hotel. Television, this is where you're going to flip your channels. This is where you're going to do your volume. If you want to turn your TV on and off, that's the area right there to do so. But I love this. It has the translations here, so if you want to go to some Chinese stations, some Italian stations, you can go, oh, I just turned it on. You can go right ahead and do that. I love this iPad. You can check out your entertainment going on, some different apps that we have, in-room dining, fitness, amenities. You have a wide range of options to select from here, but this iPad is how you're gonna navigate the hotel and navigate your room. My favorite part here is these 3. Let's say we want to turn the lights on or off. Perfect. We'll turn them low for now. Now let's say you want to work the air conditioner. What are you gonna turn it to? You have this dial right there to set it to your desired temperature. And my favorite part of it all, you have the choice to control the shades in this room. So let's say I click open drapes. Let's take a look at what happens. A nice, beautiful view of the harbor, guys. So this is what makes this room cost a little more than the other alternative, which is the back side of the hotel. You don't get this beautiful view of the water, the harbor, some of the Encore resort. And not to mention, when it's not raining, when it's a clear day out, when it's nighttime, this is lit up. You can see the city to the far left. It's a beautiful view, guys. I would recommend getting the harbor view because this view is just, it's 10 out of 10. So for the few extra bucks, I'd do it because it just makes it so worth it, guys. I love this view all around. Beautiful. Now you do, on that control panel on the iPad, you do have the option to shut the drapes and, you know, kind of get that blackout look. So if you want to shut these in the morning because it's getting super bright here, you could do that. And you also have the option to shut the shears. So if you're looking for some sunlight to still come through, you have that option. Over here, you have a nice workspace in case you're taking your work with you to the hotel. Maybe you have to hop on and do something. Some desk space here for storage. A nice Win magazine. You can check out some food options here. Nice magazine. I'm going to be honest, I haven't read through it, but you have that there if you want it. Again, being a workspace, this is perfect. You have some USB ports, some regular ports, and there's another one here. It looks like an HDMI type port. So whatever you need to plug in there. You have a nice sitting space in case you have some company. You can sit here. Last night there's actually a little ketchup on the table because we had Shake Shack, but you can eat your dinner here, especially at night, guys. This is beautiful. Use the iPad, open the drapes, overlook the city. It doesn't get any better than that, guys. I absolutely love this area here. I love the glasses they provide. 10 out of 10. Wrapping it up, guys, we are almost done with this room tour, the King Room Harbor View at the Boston Encore Resort. We are just gonna look at this area here. We do have a coffee station equipped with different coffee cups, creamers, napkins, little mugs and everything. So cute, little like, these look little espresso cups too. So fully equipped with everything that you may need to make your morning coffee. You have plenty of storage, guys, in this drawer here. It's a deep drawer too, so you could probably fit a lot of luggage in there. All right, this is the mini bar here. Fully equipped with any drinks that you may need. The prices can be found on the menu on the iPad, but that is the mini bar. There is a censor on here, so items that are removed for more than 30 seconds will be charged directly to your account. So don't be picking anything up if you're not gonna drink it, because it will be charged to your account. This over here, you have your little snack bar. These refreshments and drinks and snacks do cost money. They're actually a lot. So for this little package of M&Ms here, that's gonna be $13. So I think they are censored as well, so I didn't pick any of them up during the whole time because I don't want to pick it up and be charged for anything, but you have those snacks there. And last, guys, we're just going to wrap it up. You do have some couch space and a little table on the side here, another light that you can use, but here's a couch. So if you're doing work or you don't want to fall asleep and take a nap, you just want to chill in your room on the couch, watch some TV, you do have that option. The TV does pull out, so you can face at different angles, whether you're eating and want to watch it on the couch or in the bed. You can turn the TV to face whatever way you like. But this is the Boston Encore Hotel, guys. This is a premier king room with a harbor view. I think it averages about $650 per night, but it is a 10 out of 10, and I would highly recommend. Thanks for watching.